Welcome to the instructional part of the video. You can get tabs and backing tracks if you go to my website, www.erichaugenguitar.com. For additional resources, consider supporting me on Patreon. And for information about the sound tools I'm using in this video lesson, go ahead and click on the description box underneath in your YouTube player. Now let's get to learning. Alright, so I am in DADGAD tuning, which the original recording is not, but I felt it would be cool to do it this way. It gives it more of a Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young, Neil Young kind of thing. Yeah, okay. We got D, A, D, G, A, D. Dad, Gad. So our opening, really visualize kind of a C bar chord at the 8th fret, and that'll get you started the way there. What we got there is, 0, 0 on the low E, which is now a D, open G, 10 on the D, 8 on the B, and then come back for 9 on the G there. Pretty cool. And then very Richard Thompson-y kind of drony thing, which I like him too. 7 on the G, back to the 5, open D up top. Now we're going down to 202. That gives us may hit opens at the end, and then I grab, as best I can, the melody. I mean, that just sounds so cool in this tuning on this guitar. So what we got there, 0, 0, 10, 9. So yeah, I get the ring finger in on the 10 there of the G. I'm using those open A and D now, or B and E, however you want to think of it, those two as an in-between, landing on 7 and 7 there. That gives us Cumberland Gap, and then Devil of a Gap, because the song switches to an F chord, which in this case, there's our F, 3, 3, 3, 5, 0, 0. There it is. So, because I'm trying to get, there's our melody. Is really what it is, and I kind of, when I make arrangements, I take liberties with melodies. Hopefully the Rawlings police won't come and get me. So that's our riff. It kind of chugs along for a minute. You know, so in DADGAD, your D5 or D power chord is 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. So I'm going. Then for my F power chord, 3, 3, 3. And I'm letting those zeros to the porty. Dave Rawlings, or wait, in this scenario, he's David Rawlings, his verse. So let's look at that. 0, 0, 0, 7, using that open, we'll call it B, but it's really an A. That's kind of our 3, 3, 5, there's that F chord, and it does it again. Song switches to a C chord. Let's sweeten that chord. Good. Yeah, there I am. So, the C chord, 3, that's metered out, 0, 0, 3, 3. And then index finger is going to get that 2nd fret there. That's Dave's verse. I guess it goes back. the C. Sometimes, yeah, it plays around with it a little bit differently. Then Gillian's gonna come in, so I recop the main riff because she goes Cumberland Gap. But then she's gonna go. What's she doing? Yeah, she goes to the C right there, and then she might get rough to the C. If it doesn't kill ya, Kentucky, she's a waiting on the other. So yeah, the Kentucky, she's waiting on the other side. You're hanging on that C after the if it doesn't kill ya, boom. Kentucky, she's a waiting on the other. 3 and 2. 5 and 3, 7 and 5, and then side. That's so cool. 0 0 7 0 7. There's that F again, but with 5 on the G and 5 on the high E/D. Yeah. Side. Back to the C. Gives you the fever with the daylight in your. Same thing, and then you can't really do the cool harmonies that they do on guitar, but you can do this. So 0, 10, 12, 0. That's kind of the G9 chord that they're singing. So the index finger backed up to 9 there, because that's Dave's melody. And then they both back off. 0, 10, sorry, 0, 7, 10, 0. And then you're back to Cumberland Gap, devil of a gap, Cumberland Gap, devil of a gap. Main riff again, and then I go up a third higher, which in this tuning, thirds look like this. Oh, fun games. 9, 10, 10, 12, back to that. Use the zeros to get 7, 8. And then a big power chord at the end. There you go. Cumberland Gap is fascinating. It starts with that opening lick, which is sure as a heck of a lot like Old Man, which is what gave me the idea to kind of push this one further and further into the Neil Young territory. Now granted, Neil Young, to my knowledge, doesn't use dadgad. He often will use drop D and high E, drop down to D also. But to arrange the song and get kind of those drones and things happening, dadgad made more sense. So yeah, it's a song I really enjoy. It's a really great song, a really fun song to play. And then why not just go a little further and kind of push it into the Neil Young grungy territory. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have fun with that.